Welcome to the Alive and Well Spring Reset. My name is Dana Ferris and I'm the registered dietitian here at Alive and Well. We are so excited that you guys are participating in this reset. Before we get started, we wanted to walk you through all the different components of this program so you have a clear understanding of what's going to be coming your way over the next 30 or 60 days. So let's get started. The first step before you schedule anything is to first schedule a discovery call with me. And in that discovery call, we're going to go over all of the different components of the program as well as get you scheduled for all of your appointments throughout the way. You can schedule that discovery call either through the link in your welcome email or just give us a phone call and we'd be happy to set it up for you. After the discovery call, we'll schedule a time for you to come in for your lab draw, your in-body composition scan, and to provide you a hard copy of your meal plan. That way you have all the resources that you need to get started with this program. In your first appointment, that appointment will be with me and we'll go into your health history. We'll discuss any goals that you have with this program and create a good plan going forward. After that appointment with me, you'll have your first appointment with Kelly, our health coach. And Kelly's role is to provide accountability throughout the program as well as create lifestyle recommendations based off of your goals and based off of what your life looks like so that you can successfully meet those goals by the end of the program. Along with our appointments, you'll also receive some other really cool components to this program. One is the virtual weekly call with me and Kelly, in which we'll bring all of you together as a group to be able to discuss where we're struggling and be able to support each other throughout the way. The next thing you'll receive is a virtual weekly spiritual call with Meg, our spiritual coach. And in terms of health, we think so much about the body, but we don't think about the mind and soul component. So by bringing that in, we're really covering all the bases in supporting your overall wellness. And then the last thing is you'll receive functional movement sessions with our functional movement coach, Andrea. In these sessions, Andrea is going to gauge where you are physically and support you to be able to provide more durability and mobilities to support your fitness long term. We're, again, super excited that you guys are participating in this program. If you have any questions, be sure to give us a call or send us a message in the portal. Be sure to get that discovery call scheduled, and we can't wait to meet you.